Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to build a cable tester like before, but this time I'm going to be showing you how to do it on a breadboard. Alright, so what we need is a breadboard, a resistor, LED, two TRS input jacks, and these ones already have the wires soldered onto them. A TRS cable and the 9-volt connector and a 9-volt battery. Okay, so what we're going to do first is decide where the battery will connect to. Red's typically considered the hot wire, I guess. So I'll just connect the red over here on the far left hand side of the breadboard, and then the black on the right. Okay. Then next, what we'll do is we'll take our resistor and take it from the output here on the left hand side, and then run it into 1E looks good. No, 1D on the breadboard. That's in there nice and secure. Alright. Now what we'll do is we'll take and we'll put the LED from 1E to 1F. Okay, that's in there secure. Hold on. Yeah, that's right. Just make sure it's secure in there. And then you gotta take the tip ring sleeve connector, and these ones don't have indication of what it is, so basically what you'll have to do, since I can't remember which one corresponds to the tip, the ring, the sleeve, which tabs on here, which wires do, have to just do it based on vision. So you take the first tab, which I guess we could call the sleeve. Actually, one second. Okay, so this one would be the tip at the very bottom. The middle one would be the sleeve, and the very top one here appears as if it's the ring. I'll see how that plugs in real fast. Yeah, that's right. Glad I figured that out. Okay, so we will take the tip. No, I want to do it like this. we'll take the sleeve and plug it in first into a 1J. Then we'll take the ring, which is this one, and plug it into 10A. Actually, no, I want this to look better. I want to plug it into a 10I. Okay. Shoot. Came out. Anyway, 10I. And then take the tip and plug it into 20I as well. That's just to make it look kind of clean and uniform. Alright, so next we're going to do the same thing with this one, except for it's just going to wire from basically the ring to the ring, the tip to... Okay, let me reword this. It's just gonna wire in from 1J, which goes to the sleeve, and then it's gonna come out the sleeve on the other side of the cable. Into and out of this wire, because that's the sleeve, and then it's going to enter in on 10H, the current wheel, and then it goes into the ring, and then the ring right here on this connector, and then goes out of the ring on this one and goes into H20, or 20H rather, which is the tip on this connector, and then it exits the tip on this one, and that's where it would go back to the battery on the far right hand plug, just like that. So for a recap, this is the way it should work. The battery plugs in up here, current runs through the red wire into this resistor, and then through the LED if the connection's not broken, and then into the sleeve on this side, out of the sleeve on this side, and then into the ring on this side, out of the ring on this side, into the tip on this side, out of the tip on this side, on the left side, and then into the far right side of connections, which is all just one big connection. And yeah, we'll see how it works, if it works. And sure enough, lights on. Whoops. Oh, I plugged into the wrong one. But, yep, she works.